Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. Today I'm popping into Dollar Tree and finding lots of new goodies, some new ornaments, and a few other treasures, so I thought I'd bring you along. Let's go shopping. Right up front, they have some really cute masks. They've got a little owl, and these are all light up. They've got the skeleton mummy and sort of skeleton pirate. And it's nice to see some girly options. They've got the unicorn and little princess. This store is somewhat organized on top and total mess down below, but something I spotted is a really cute felt garland. It looks like it says Happy Halloween with a couple cats. So I haven't seen these yet. They're super cute little box books. So here's the thing though, they come in 3 sizes. They tuck into each other. Each is $1, of course. These two are just orange on black, and this one is kind of copper. Down here, they've got a few more. The blue with poison, casting spells. And then they've got spells and potions. So this one's gold. And then this one's yellow, so that's the same deal. The smallest ones have the metallic. I have seen these before, but this is new to me. Really cute little pumpkin patch. And then I haven't seen these in person. I think I saw them on Instagram. They're really cute little boxes, perfect for giving a gift in. So this store has lots of tinsel, but they also have the feather boas, and I might have to pick up some of the orange ones. I already have some black. I think these are really good along the back of some decor, like on a mantle. So they do have lots of the skeleton items out. They've got the little hanging bat. I think I picked one of these up a few years ago. The jaw does move, so that's kind of fun. And then they've got the skeleton garland. I know I've cut one of these apart before just to use the skeletons. And then down here they have the skeleton spiders, and those are fun. So this store's got lots of skeleton items on an end cap, actually, by the soda. And they've got the little miniature skulls. And I shared on Instagram because I did a DIY with this little guy last year, and it looks like they've still got quite a few. So I haven't seen this little sign yet. Super cute. Beware the Wicked Witch and her little monsters live here. Just a little tabletop sign. They're also putting out paint for DIYs, which I love, and some fun balloons. Looks like they come with some glow sticks. This store also has gotten in the witch's hat wreath forms. These are such a good size. To give you guys an idea, it's the top of my hand, and then the bottom's all the way down here. Now let's look at some Christmas ornaments and decor. They do have these tree-topping stars in gold and silver. I own the gold one. Some really pretty stars in silver, white, and I think there's gold somewhere. And the Santa heads. So you're either a fan of them or you're not at all. Chime in down below in the comments and let me know. Do you like these little guys, or are they creepy? So I actually came in hoping to find a tube or two left of the Halloween ornaments. No luck. I should have bought them when I saw them. So if there's any of these ornaments you see, pick them up now because they won't last. I always like the larger ornaments they put out. I like to fill my tree with big ornaments first and then go in with the smaller ones. They have the little 2-packs of snowmen in the red, blue, and silver and gold. These are really cute. They also have the tinsel stars, and the elf leg ornaments are back. I don't think they had tinsel on them last year. They also have the Peace and Believe text in glitter, and the little snowman heads with black and red hats in glitter, the little tinsel gifts in red and green, and back from last year, the little photo ornaments in the penguin, the gingerbread, and the Santa. It's a little loud in here tonight, so hopefully you guys are hearing me. There is a love connection happening up at the register. They brought back the Santa and snowman sleds. They also have the reindeer in brown glitter and gold glitter, as well as the white. And these are so cute. I don't remember seeing these in years past. A red ornament in Ho 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 and the green in the elf with Merry Christmas on it. They also have a lot of red and black buffalo check in the regular round shapes. They have the Christmas trees, and they also have it in a star. I also really like these down here. I picked up one for a DIY I did last year. They have the star and tree. And the little sleds are back. These are so cute and come in the galvanized metal and in the red. I picked up quite a few of these last year. They've also got the snowman hats I've shared and these new doors. These are super cute in red. Also some new tag signs in gray. Holiday cheer with the snowman. Hello winter. And a third one. These would go really well with the gray and red stuff I showed you guys at Walmart. I'll have that linked above. They also have quite a few very glitzy glam style ornaments, and that stuff would really blend well with the stuff I shared with you guys from Big Lots, so I'll have that linked for you and in the description. If that is your style, you definitely may want to check it out. They also have quite a few ornaments with pearls, and I remember them doing these for the last few years, and then closer to Christmas they bring out some new things, so I'm really excited to see what comes out next. They brought back the angel wings with some fur on them, and they brought back the churches. They've got them in 3 colors. The white, this one's kind of gold but more silver. This one's definitely gold. They also have some angels with some pearl and fur detail, and those come in the same colors. They also have the light up icicle ornaments back this year. They come with 6 batteries. I think you put 3 in each. And then the bells are back. I bought a few of these last year in red and white. So they have the white. It's got a bit of the flocked greenery on top. I don't see the plain red, but they do have it in glitter. And down here also in the silver and the gold. They have lots of holiday floral out, and I have to tell you guys that something I love to do to make my tree look a little more full is get these picks. Especially I really like the red berries. I can buy like 10 of them and then just put them all over my tree, and it just helps fill it out a bit. They also have the white berries, and something new this year, they've got the little cotton stems. There's actually quite a bit on there. Some pine cones, greenery, and one little cotton pick. At this store, they do have some foam shapes. They've got the angels, the Christmas trees, and some snowflakes in blue and white. I think Frozen 2 is coming out soon. But what caught my eye are these felt shapes. They have it in red in the Christmas stocking. So cute. This would be a great beginning to a garland. So right up with their decor in front, they have some new things by LA Colors. They have some lip products. So it looks like 3 flavors, cool mint, and there's a lip balm and scrub. And then in berry punch, they've got the balm and scrub, and then also in orange in the fresh squeeze, and some more products. These are perfect for stocking stuffers. These are little lip glosses and luster. I would pick these up now if you see them in your store for stocking stuffers, because they're not going to last. These are really cute nail polishes with little glittery emery boards. Comes in gold and silver, and I really like this one, the rose gold pink. And then they've got some nail sets. This one's perfect for Christmas. They also have very popular leopard, and this one I'll Lots of gold. On the makeup aisle, they have some more new products by LA Colors. These are lip oils and come in strawberry, grape, mint, watermelon, and vanilla. They also have some new nails, these with little polka dots. They've got the pink and gold, some chevron, and some animal print. And they've got the 2 packs of the ice nail enamel, and those come in different color combinations. They've got a few more things new from LA Colors. These are called shimmer eyeliners. They come in a few colors, white frost, purple, and this one that's teal. And then they've got super cute little lip macaroons, and those come in different flavors. And then the brow lifts are back. I've seen those before. And this loose body and face shimmer. So they've got it in the pink and the gold, the sugar, which is white, some purple, and this one's called Magical. They also have the Vaseline Lip Therapy, this one in original, and it also comes in a red, and they're calling it Rosy Lips. And I know it's almost that season, so they put out the Alka-Seltzer Plus Cold. You get 4 tablets. I always buy our toothbrushes from Dollar Tree, and when I like to grab them is when you can get Colgate in the name brand in a 3-pack for just $1. But down here they have some new toothbrushes that I think are great for travel. They are soft, so I like that, and come in a few different colors, and they're perfect because you can just fold them down and they're covered. So in my frame aisle, I found a few new things to share. This little canvas print is so cute with the makeup, perfume, and the little purse. But I spotted these, and they're pretty good size wooden pieces. So it looks like it's particle board and just wood on top. The eyelashes are cut out, and it comes in Dreaming on purple or lavender, blue, and pink. So there's some new things on the pet aisle that caught my eye when I looked down the aisle. That's cute, peanut butter flavor bone. I saw these bandanas, so they've got pink and the paws and some camo. It looks like they come in different sizes, and this one in buffalo check, which would be perfect for the holidays. So that does it for this Dollar Tree. I have a few more in my area that we may be going to soon to see what they're putting out. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.